This presentation is about the play Antigone. The play was written by a Greek playwright named Sophocles. It was written in or before 441 BC. To sum up the whole play, it was about family feud and the law. So more in depth about the play, it took place during the Thebes Civil War, and Eteocles and Polynices were the two siblings of Antigone, and they were fighting for opposite sides. Eteocles was for Creon's side, and Polynices was fighting for the other. Both of the siblings died in battle, and Eteocles was buried respectfully, and Polynices was left out to rot and to be seen by nature and the people. Creon lays down the law that Polynices was not to have a burial, but Antigone would not allow that, and she stands up and goes to bury her brother. When Creon learns of this, he puts Antigone in a cave, basically, to rot there until she dies. And then Creon's son, Haemon, figures this out and tries to sort out the problem. Then Antigone dies, which her soon-to-be husband sees that she dies. He kills himself, and then Creon's wife sees that their son is dead, and she kills herself, which leaves Creon in great agony and alone. The overall theme that I would like to point out in this play is determination. Every character is driven by determination to achieve their goal. For example, Creon was determined to establish his throne as king and lay down the law, where he says in line 55, "But leave his corpse unburied to be meat for dogs and carrion crows, a ghastly sight. So am I proposed, never by my will shall miscreants take precedence of true men, but all good patriots, alive or dead, shall be by me preferred and honored." Whereas Polynices and Eteocles were determined to win the throne, whether that meant to sacrifice their life, whether that be one or both of them. Then Antigone was determined to have both brothers properly buried. She states this in line 70, "Go thine own way, myself will bury him," when she was talking to her sister. Haemon was determined to persuade his father to spare Antigone's life, and in line 100, he speaks, "I plead for justice, father, nothing more. Weigh me upon my merit, not my years." As you can see, all the characters had determination. Which leads us into the question, during the play Antigone, are the characters' determination characteristic an asset or a hindrance for themselves? There are many ways to go about answering this question. Besides the theme determination, we see another underlying aspect, which is what they believe in. Antigone believed in natural law and justice for both her brothers, where Haemon believed in his wife and loved her so much he gave his life away. As well as Creon, he believed in the law of man and trying to run a successful throne. So we see that their beliefs in things would be an asset. Then we see in some ways it might be a hindrance because the characters lead themselves to their deaths, and which leaves Creon alone and in agony, rethinking his determination on how to rule the throne. That's just one of many ways determination can be thought of throughout this play. Take a minute to think how you see determination in Antigone. Thanks for watching.